So the next session is on principles of prefabrication. So as of now we have learned about the importance of prefabrication, existence of prefabrication, then need of prefabrication when compared with general concrete, and then the applications, the challenges, and the classification of prefabrications were learned. Now about the principles of prefabrication. What are the principles required for the prefabrication actually? As we know that it's an assembling of building components what are required for the construction activity, and also that is based on the quality and sustainability methods and all this is considered. And then comes to what are the requirements of prefabrication. Prefabrication is that you will be doing assembling of products, and then the assembling that finally execution of the product will be there for the construction of the building activity and all. And this plays a crucial role of material choosing, and then transportation, casting, transportation, placing, erection, and is all principles are there. So these, what are the standards? That is the thing. What are the main things of principles of prefabrication? Standardization. Prefabrication lies on standardized compounds and modules that are manufactured in a controlled environment. Standardization ensures consistency in quality and ease of assembly. So what is the standardization required for this? So for this standardization required is that the main thing is quality of the material what you have chosen, and then finally assembling of the material. At that stage, while assembling of the material, the standard dimensions of the panels or members were chosen or not. According to that way, the designing, the casting will be done. Then comes to the quality control. Yes, quality is mostly taken into priority for this final execution of the product. So manufacturing building components in a factory allows for rigorous quality control process. Quality can be closely monitored. Yes, here the skilling persons will be there. That's called skilled labor, and also the skilling executive. So those persons will be monitoring that. Under their monitoring, this execution of the member will be completed. So final product they will be executing. Then efficiency. Prefabrication reduces on-site construction time and labor requirements, leading to faster project completion. As we already know that prefabrication is a time-saving element. So this is used for completion of the project indefinitely. Large products can be taken without any doubt that can be completed within the given schedule. That is the thing of prefabrication. Assurance will be given, and exactly by that time this will be completed. So this efficiency can result in cost saving. Yes, if it is early possible, we can deliver the products easily, and also the cost of the project will be in easy way. So design for manufacturing and assembly. So that we call it for DFMA, and the DFMA principle focus on designing components and modules that with ease of manufacturing and assembly in mind. So easily where we have to design, where we have to place these components and all, easily we can assemble it. Then comes to design decisions, consider how the elements will be produced and joined together. So when you are going for the assembling and all, the assignment given to you was to create a room with given panels. Yes, we will be doing that by the size of exterior walls. What are those? Front side, what is the dimension? Side, what is the dimension? And back side, what is the dimension? These all will be designed, and these all will be given listed out there. So based on that, we can frame it. Okay. Then reduced on-site work. Prefabrication minimizes the amount of on-site work. Sorry. Prefabrication minimizes the amount of on-site work, which can enhance safety and ensure exposure to adverse weather conditions. So this is also on-site process. This here we will be advising to reduce the exposure conditions of the environment. Environmental conditions also it reduces, because based on the environmental conditions we will be doing so many things, as I discussed in the previous session. Storage, where we have to store these all elements. Yes, though we are storing is also when the construction whatever till we have done, that has to be dried. It's under wet condition, it has to be, this is the curing stage, this is the thing we have to do, this all will be there. So in prefabrication this we can reduce it. Okay, environmental sustainability. Prefabrication can lead to sustainability benefits by reducing material waste and energy consumption. It allows for better recycling and reusing of materials. Yes, that is true, very very true. It is environmental sustainable material. Reuse of materials also will be there. It's easy in consumption, and it is easy in placing. It's recyclable. Okay, then customization. Yes, while prefabrication relies on standardization, though it is dependent on standardization also, it is easily customizable. according to standard will be there, standard sizes will be there, but also architecture point of view, we need somehow the interior wise customization has to be there. Definitely every customer will ask, and they will be sorting out to what extent we can show, we can project it. So that is available here. That is very useful thing. Transportation and logistics. Yes, transportation is the essential component of prefabrication. Efficient planning and execution of component transportation to the construction site is there. Also skilling and training, we already discussed that. Under skilled condition only, skilled persons only, this will be under standardization methods will be taken, and then the preparation will be done. Integrated project delivery, so construction teams will be there, engineers will be there. When it comes to the project delivery and all, architects will be there. So these all stakeholders, among everything, these all persons will be there, and the project will be delivered. Cost consideration. Prefabrication can lead to cost housing, but it requires tough cost analysis to determine economic feasibility for a particular project. It's generally, everyone will think that this is a cost. So effectively we can utilize the cost. We will tell as engineers and all, whatever the budget way we will be telling you. But what other things means, when compared with the other things and all, other normal construction, they will tell that this is very costly. But this is useful for large way of construction activities. As we told you, large way of construction activity, you will be comparing with small construction activities also. Oh, for us this much, for you this much is not taken. What is the panel? This is the panel. Likewise, they will be taking. Some sandwich panels were used. Ours is normal ways. This is strong. Yours is not strong. Likewise, they will be used. This is under frost conditions also. This will be taken. Prefabrication. Also, the methodology is new methods, and this is used for large construction activities, which is effectively utilized. So that we have to keep in mind. Regularly compliance, yes, regularly based on the building considerations and all also we will be designing. So definitely design considerations will be in this consideration, and then this will be executed. So no need to bother about this, that this is not under standard conditions, so not designed, so it can't withstand the loads and all. That will not be there. Definitely factor of safety considerations will be there. Then post-assembling considerations. Prefabricated components may require inspection, maintenance and quality assurance post-assembly to ensure their long-term performance. Yes, definitely to ensure their long-term performance. This is all based on design criteria also. This is requiring. Maintenance is required for anything. If you maintain only, then only this will be executed. These principles of prefabrication are central to improving the construction process by emphasizing off-site manufacturing, efficient design, quality control and sustainability. Prefabrication is a valuable approach for various construction projects, including residential, commercial, industrial, infrastructure developments. Definitely these all we have to keep in mind. This is not an easy point that this is useful for these all products. Sorry, these all way of construction activities and all. We have, when we give an assurance to a product, that has to be giving good lead. So this is assurance that we are getting, though we are telling in many reasons also, no one are trusting that this can be under this can be under this, that categories wise you have to study this, not directly blindly you'll go for this is not suitable and all. No, category wise, where they use for residential, commercial and all, those way you have to think when what is a large project or medium project, to what extent we can sustain this and all. We need to develop our thinking aspect, and then we have to execute for that. And then materials used for prefab. What are the materials used? Concrete, steel, wood. Already we have this. Here many materials are there. So precast concrete is there, casting of concrete. So casting of concrete. So against we will be precast means what? So it's pre-tensioning. Okay, tensioning of steel we will be doing, and then the concrete will be placed. That a pre-tensioning of concrete will be there. Post-tensioning is tensioning of steel against the hardened concrete. These two are there. Then comes to the steel. The steel is taken, and then comes to the wood. Then the glass material is being taken, and also the aluminium. Then the composite materials are taken into consideration. Then masonry, fiber reinforced glass. This is the new technique that we are using nowadays. Previously glass, aluminium and composite means composition of both steel and concrete only. Masonry works, everyone know that block wise the stone cladding everything will be used for architectural point of view. So masonry will do. Fiberglass reinforced is that this is the most efficient one we are doing. Light and weight construction, and then panels, columns etc. will be using, so it is durable also. Then nowadays we are using the plastic also, PVC. This is also very effectively utilized. Then modular building materials. It is used for composition of the materials for construction activity. This include combination of steel, wood, concrete. So that is modular building methods we will be doing. And then insulation, so insulating something in the prefabricated walls, and then ceiling purpose panels will be using this. So roofing materials, whatever it is used for roofing, shingles are used, you know very well, shingles. So these all are roofing materials, so directly we can use. And specialized materials are there. Specialized materials comes under the category of prefabricated components. Then comes to the selection of materials in prefabrication, that budget wise what are there, so low to high it is there. So low to high also, this is useful for a specific purpose, so specific purpose only we will be using. So the material use, this is the thing, the modular way, directly the panel. See here, this is the door, this portion is the door, these are windows. Okay, so this is the door. So framing, everything you have done. See, wooden framing, here glass, likewise the module will be just placed. This is the staircase, see here stairs. So exterior entrance, so interior also same like panels will be doing. So this is the easy way of construction. See here how it is being doing. So this is a modular house. Modular house, the modular toilets are there nowadays, no, with iron they will be doing PVC and iron, the combination they did, and so modular houses also we can do. But some will be telling that it's not safety, likewise. So say, because it is just portable, not permanent house, so whenever you have to go to stay for these many days and all, those who are efficient construction activity, definitely we can use this. Construction people, definitely they will be using a lot of site visit for construction activities and all, there they will be using mostly this. So this is about the materials that are used and principles of prefabrication and materials used. This is very effectively utilized. These are used for construction, and the construction process is this one. This is the way, modular house technology we call it as. So in the next session we will be dealing about the next topic. Thank you.